Right, living in Zimbabwe, trying to make ends meet, and then Zesa happens. And this is what becomes of somebody's hustle. Even if you want to make pet feed, the refrigerators cannot cope because they are getting a maximum of some 6 hours or so of electricity. So no refrigeration is taking place. So this is my profit from my attempt to survive Zimbabwe. All lost, all lost, all lost. Yeah. I'm trying to salvage something for my dogs. I don't know if I will succeed. This is a 300-liter drum, 200, 300. It's filled with chickens that I must dress for the dogs. So this is it. You try again, but shit happens all the time. But I know my dogs are going to enjoy. My dogs are going to have a good time. Hey, get away! I'm trying to dry up the meat using salt. Very soon I'll go and buy some vinegar and hope that something good would come out of it. Otherwise, if it doesn't happen, I'm just going to bury the meat. But I tried.